Hey, what's going on, my Exceeded FX family? Today is Wednesday, August the 14th, and I'm about to get into our new video. So today was another great day in the markets, trading futures. As you can see, I switched my background a little bit. I love being near the water, palm trees. So I'm manifesting that. I feel like I'll be on somebody's beach real soon. With that being said, today I traded two of my accounts, as you can see here. On this account here, I cleared $1,050. I took two trades. Today, we closed out within average trade time, 26 minutes. The longest trade took 45 minutes. So like the market makers, they were trying to hold the trades a little longer than usual, but it's okay. I stuck to my bias. I understand having a good trading mindset and trading, excuse me, having understanding that you have to live with your bias, right? It's not about right or wrong. It's either you take the trade or you don't. Um, on my second account, I cleared $1,150, took two trades, and again, same trade time. As you can see, they're pretty much identical, 26 minutes to 18 seconds. Longest trade, 45 minutes and 9 seconds, because I'm literally trading off both of my devices as I'm taking these trades. So we basically cleared $2,200 today. So that's a phenomenal day. Again, my daily goal is anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per account, and I cleared 1,000 on both accounts today. So I'm very blessed and thankful for that. Getting back to trading view, I'm going to show you how I did that. Um, Actually, I'm going to start a little different here. I'm going to go to the higher time frame, to the 1 hour. All right. So as you can see, this right here, this breaks up the weeks. So this is technically the beginning of this week, starting on Sunday. And as you can see, all week we've been very bullish, right? Out the gate to the upside. This is Wednesday, August the 14th, and you can see we're very bullish. This is a pro tip. There is something called like a midweek reversal. And what happens is price will go in a single direction for so many days, sometimes even a week. There's no specific time frame or date or how many days. However, price to get to a certain point, and then we'll have a midweek reversal. And typically this happens on Wednesdays or Thursdays. All right, so this is this week. Just to show you exactly what I'm talking about. This was last week. All right, so again, this is the beginning of the week, Sunday. And if you look right here, this is Thursday. This is Wednesday. And here's Thursday, August the 8th. And as you can see, we were in a downtrend. And then when Thursday came about, price pulled right back up. So this is actually the start of the bullish momentum that we've been riding all week right here. That's actually the bullish momentum. Let me make this a little bit smaller so you can see everything. So you can see exactly what I'm referring to. We can take it to the week prior. Again, what I'm showing you, it's not like it's like guaranteed. Like you know what? Hey, on Thursday the market's going to reverse. However, this is a proven. I back tested this, and I look forward to Wednesdays and Thursdays to see a potential move. And here's another example. This was 3 weeks ago, and as you can see again, July. This is Tuesday, July 30th. We're bullish from Tuesday to what? Till Thursday. And as you can see, Thursday the 1st, price sold off. So this is the midweek reversal for this week. All right. So now that you see that, I'm pretty sure you already understand where I'm going with this. I'm anticipating some nice bearish momentum to kick in later today, tomorrow morning, whatever the case may be, for a midweek reversal. Now, is it guaranteed? It's absolutely not. However, I'm going to wait and look at price action and understand candlesticks to see what it's doing. So I'll explain the move that we caught this morning, me and my students. I shared this trade I did with them. So before, as you know, I always like to rewind to New York. So before New York happened, you can see that price has been sitting Well, we've been bullish all week, and price was sitting at this high, right? So this is Asian session right here. This is London session, and we're just floating at the high. This was yesterday's price action. Again, yesterday was very bullish, as you can see. This is yesterday, and price was bullish, right? It was bullish in Asian, London, and New York. So beginning of the new trading day today, which is Wednesday, price was consolidating. So I'm going to delete this so we can focus on just this area right here. As you can see, price was consolidating all morning, Asian and London. Now, with me understanding this, again, I'm looking for price action to show me what direction it wants to go in. I'm not here to be predict. I'm not here to make assumptions. I'm not here to be some type of wizard. Like, you know what? I know the market's going to do this. That's not how the market works. And that's what keeps you successful when you stop trying to predict the market. All I'm simply doing is allowing price action to move and to show me the move that it wants to do. So even though we're sitting at the high of the week and I'm anticipating some bearish momentum to kick in, it doesn't mean it has to do that. However, we got some bearish momentum this morning. So what happened is I waited. Here we go. That's the move I caught with me and my students. So I'm going to focus solely on this right now. And I'm going to back this up because this is the move. This is the move that we caught. And let's see. Try to get it before. Boom, right there. So as you get, if you notice, price broke below London and Asian. And I'm going to carry this box over so you can understand what I'm saying. So that's a change of character to the downside, a bearish change of character. So that was a good confirmation for me to get into the trade. If I go, I'm on the 5-minute. I've been on the 5-minute time frame the entire time. Switch it to the 15-minute. I spoke this in a few other videos that I like to look for dojis, which is this right here. And dojis basically let you know price is undecided and is getting weak compared to like full-size candles. All right. So me seeing that was another good confirmation for me to hop into the trade. So I hopped in to this sell around this area here. And as you can see, we had a nice fall. Now, this morning, though, price action, I was trying to play with this a little bit. It took its time. And what I mean by that is, even though I could see the candlesticks forming and we had a nice bearish closure here, as this candle's pretty much bigger than all the candles in Asia and London, you can see this wick right here. That lets you know that price came back up to this high before it fell. And then even right here, they gave us a bullish engulfing and then price dropped and came back up. By that time, I was already out of the trade. Again, my daily goal is $500 to $1,000, and that keeps me profitable. So even though the trade did come all the way down here, I want to show you the reason why you want to stay disciplined and have a daily goal and stick to it. Because once we got this entry up here, I'm going to delete this really quickly. Delete this box. Once we got this entry on this bearish engulfing right here, so let's just highlight this candle, this bearish engulfing, and price fell. Let's see, from here down to here, it fell almost 20 points within 50 minutes. Again, so all this is just consolidation. So the typical retail trader, I'm sure they would get antsy here, like, okay, what's going on? When is price going to fall? But you have to have a great trade psychology. And if you learn anything from me or anybody on YouTube or wherever, focus on your trade psychology. I cannot enforce that enough. You got to be right with your mental. You got to understand the bias, and you have to live with your trade, right? It's not possible to have 1,000 winning trades and no lessons. I call losses lessons. There's going to be lessons, and that's what makes you better. But however, you stick to your bias and you let the market do what it do. And today we were very profitable since we cleared $2,200. So I hope this video helps. I appreciate the likes and the comments. My channel is starting to grow, and I'm very thankful for that. Please like, subscribe, and you all have a blessed day.